Hey everyone, this is Moumita Rahman, immigration attorney based in New York City. I serve clients all across all 50 states and also across the world. Today, I'm going to talk to you about economic abuse, something that is more common than you might think. So, what is economic abuse? Economic abuse occurs when your partner or spouse controls you through money, either by controlling all of your access to money or by taking your money away from you. What are some of the signs of economic abuse? Some common signs of economic abuse might include not giving you any access to family financial resources or forcing you to live on a very small allowance. It could also mean keeping serious tabs on your spending so that you have to prove exactly what you've bought by giving receipts. It can also include running up credit card debt in your name or maxing out your credit cards. Other forms of financial abuse and economic abuse also include sabotaging your ability to work. This could either include showing up at your workplace unannounced or repeatedly so that it catches the attention of your manager and coworkers and jeopardizes your ability to keep that job. It also can include calling you multiple times at work so that it disrupts your performance. It could also include pressuring you to quit your job so that you end up becoming reliant on your partner for all funds instead. Economic abuse can also include preventing you from having your own financial accounts so that only your partner or spouse might be the one to have a bank account. This way, any money that you earn is required to be given over to your spouse so that they are the only ones who have control over the money. Economic abuse can also include forcing you to work many hours or even turning over all of your pay to your spouse. Economic abuse can also include forcing you to quit school so that you cannot pursue further education and get a better job. Another very common form of economic abuse for immigrants includes threatening to cut you off from all sources of money if you disagree or if you refuse to do what your spouse asks you to do. So why is this important if you're an immigrant? If you are an immigrant in an abusive relationship, you have to understand that you do have options despite whatever your spouse might tell you. If you're already married to a US citizen or to a green card holder, you may be eligible to file for VAWA. With VAWA, you are able to self-petition for a green card. And even if your spouse has never actually left marks on your body or hit you physically, it is important to note that economic abuse is still considered domestic violence. Did you know that 94 to 99% of all persons who have suffered domestic violence physically have also been subjected to economic abuse? This is a staggering figure, and one that just confirms that economic abuse is another type of violence used against a partner to control and isolate them. If you've been the victim of economic abuse, you can also use it to request a waiver of your Form I-751. The bottom line is that if you are an immigrant and you're married to a US citizen or to a green card holder and they are using money to control you, don't hesitate. Make sure you speak with an attorney to find out what your options might be. I hope that you found this video informative and helpful. If you have a family member or a friend who you think might benefit from this, please be sure to share it because you never know when this might be of use. I'm Moumita Rahman, the immigration attorney helping you navigate the complex world of immigration. See you next time. This video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. For proper legal advice on your case, please call us to set up a consultation.